Everybody asks us what's going to happen with the housing market in 2023. Well, we're in 2023 now. Now, everything has been about inflation up to this point, but there are two key factors that will shape the 2023 housing market. The big one is inflation. Here's the thing, interest rates rose dramatically in 2022, and that was due to the fact that the Federal Reserve actions were trying to bring inflation down. While there are some signs that inflation may be starting to cool off a little bit, where the market goes from here, it depends on the Fed's ability to tame and control inflation. If inflation continues to fall, we'll most likely see mortgage rates do so as well. Honestly, we all know that real estate needs stability and predictability. If inflation eases, mortgage rates will follow, and so the volatility in the meantime. Remember, 2023 is going to be all about inflation, and I'll keep following the latest information on the market to bring it to you. If you have any questions, let's connect. Feel free to DM me, text me, or email me, or please call me, and we'll create a strategy session. If you want to know what the equity assessment is in your home, I'll be more than happy to prepare that for you and discuss your next move. Thank you very much.